Good morning, children. After the session of our one singular and plural, we had learned what are the rules, what are singular and plural. Okay, so today now we are going to do the exercise, extra exercise of singular and plural. Now you can see over here, singular and plural is written on this side, and this side singular and plural is there. Now on both the side, singular and plural exercise is given. Now we have to look at the words, singular words, only one, and plural is more than one. So we have to see where S, ES or IES is added, where then we have to add VES. S, IES, VES. Okay. So we have to keep in a mind that on which word singular plural it becomes and what when to add. Okay, so we'll start first with this side. car. What is this? car. So this singular one car and plural cars. Cars. I've written cars. Now top, singular top, and plural will be what? tops, tops. Now in cars, tops, only as I have added. Now we'll go to the next word. class, right? But I've added over here es, so it becomes classes because it is more than one, so it is classes. glass, glass, and I've added es, so it becomes glasses. What it has become? It has become glasses. pen, pens, pens. So over here is one pen, over here is more than one, so I've added s over here, and the plural of pen is what? pens, pens. bottle, bottle, and over here bottle is already written, so only s is needed over here, so we'll write s, so it becomes bottles. book, book, and over here books, books. One book, more than one is plural, so it becomes books. city, cities have had, because why I have to make it into plural. City is singular, and when I change it into plural it will become cities. So cities, cities. Why I will make it into plural, so it will become cities. I have to add ies instead of y. I will remove y and I'll add ies, so it will become cities, cities. wolf, wolf. Now over here wolves, wolves. What is over here? It is wolves, wolves. Now over what I've done, f I've removed. What I've done, I've removed f and I've joined with ves. So here it is one wolf, but for plural what I will say, many wolves are there, so it will be ves. So the whole spelling will become wolves, wolves. Now the second word is duty, duty. So over here duties, same with y. I will remove y to make it plural, so I'll add ies. So singular is duty and plural is duties. foot, foot. Over here plural will be fit. woman, woman. women, woman. Woman, woman. One woman, many women. fly, fly. flies, flies. I'll remove y and I will add ies over here. So what it will become? Flies. Fly, flies. Now we'll go to the next box. Now a singular tree, tree is there, and plural I will write trees, trees. trees, trees. fox, fox. foxes, foxes. After x I will add es, so it becomes foxes. One fox, singular, plural, foxes. branch, branch, and after h I will add es, so what it will become? Branches. What it will become? Branches. dress, dress. Over here the plural of dress is what? Dresses. dresses, dresses. I will add after double s es, it will become dresses. cap, cap, The plural of cap is what? Caps. One cap, many caps. So I've add only S, C-A-P-S, caps. D-O-N-K-E-Y, donkey. And plural of donkey is what? D-O-N-K-E-Y-S, donkeys. See here you can see Y is there, but then too I've add S only, because before Y what is there? Vowel is there. What is the? E is a vowel. So after vowel Y is there, so we have to add S only. It won't become I-E-S. Okay. B-O-Y, boy. So B-O-Y-S, boy. Same over here. Here O is there and then Y is a consonant. So over here O is a vowel, Y is a consonant. So we have to add only S. So it will become boys. B-A-B-Y, baby. B-A-B-I-E-S, babies. Now over here I have changed Y into I-E-S. Why? Because before Y, B is not a vowel. It is a consonant only. So it will be changed into I-E-S. L-I-F-E, life. L-I-V-E-S, life. E before F is there, right? So it is a consonant only. So it will change into V-E-S. It will become lives. L-I-V-E-S, lives. M-I-L-K, milk. M-A-N, man. M-I-L-K, milk. M-E-N, man. Milkman, milkman. O-X, ox. O-X-E-N, oxen. O-X, ox. O-X-E-N, oxen. P-O-L-I-C, police. M-A-N, man. Policeman. P-O-L-I-C, police. M-E-N, man. Policeman. So policeman is singular and policemen are plural. It has more than one. So we will read all the singular and plural together, children. Car, cars. Top, tops. Class, classes. Glass, glasses. Pen, pens. Bottle, bottles. Book, books. City, cities. Wolf, wolves. Duty, duties. Foot, feet. Woman, women. Fly, flies. Tree, trees. Fox, foxes. Branch, branches. Dress, dresses. Cap, caps. Donkey, donkeys. Boy, boys. Baby, babies. Life, lives. Milkman, milkman. Ox, oxen. Policeman, policeman. Now dear children, you have to write this extra exercise also in your grammar notebook with neat and good handwriting. Thank you.